Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another interesting question. So as we can see in the figure, there is a circle with center at point O. PQ is a chord whose length is 10 units and it is making an angle 45 degree with the diameter PR. And we are asked to find the area of this shaded region. So how we are going to find this area? So first of all, we will do one construction here. Let us join O and Q. So I am joining O and Q. So OQ and OP, they will be equal because both of them are radius of the circle. So triangle OPQ will be an isosceles triangle. That means this side is equal to this side. So this triangle is isosceles in nature, and hence this angle is also 45 degrees. Because this angle is 45, so this angle will also be 45 degrees. Now by angle sum property, angle 45 plus angle 45 plus this angle at point O will be 180 degree. So if you sum them, it will be 90. So here also this is 90 degree. POR is the diameter. So at point O, this angle will also be 90 degree. So in short, we can say that area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle POQ plus area of, this will be a quadrant because this angle is 90 degrees. See, 1/4 of a circle, this is a quadrant. So area of quadrant, let me name it as ROQ and let this be X. So ROQ, X and R. This is the quadrant. So area of this triangle POQ. This is a right angle triangle. So this will be half times base. I am taking PO as base times the altitude, that is OQ, plus area of quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. That means 1/4 times pi times r square. Moving ahead, this will be half times PO and OQ are equal. So r square, r times r will be r square plus 1/4 pi r square. We can take out r square common from both the terms. This will be half plus we can say pi upon 4. Now if we find out the value of r, we can easily get the total area of the shaded region. So how we are going to do that? Let us focus on triangle POQ. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle and PQ will be the hypotenuse. So we know that by Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to square of other sides, sum of square of other sides. So 10 square will be r square plus r square. So this is 2r square is equal to 100. So r square is equal to 50. See, I'm not going to find the square root of 50 because what I need here is the value of r square. So in place of r square, I can substitute 50 multiplied by half plus in place of pi, I can write 3.14 divided by 4. After simplifying this, we will get 64.25 square units. So the area of shaded region is 64.25 square units. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.